Tom Morrison here, and welcome to another episode of Why Do My Elbows Hurt? One big thing about elbows is they like to move in one plane of motion, okay? So just like this. So if your shoulders are rounded in like this, then you're going to be having a bad time. You're pushing above the head, you're going to be grinding on one point of the elbow. If you're doing pull-ups, you're going to be annoying the elbow. So if your shoulders are stuck in this position forever or internally rotated like this and you look like this, then that's something that you want to work on correcting by doing exercises that require you to do this, to pull everything back. So the ring row is a great one. So if you're here, whoop, go for a ring row, pull up, squeeze, don't let go. And then pull up, squeeze, and don't let go. Anything that requires you to pull back like this, to open up the chest and squeeze here is going to give you a better posture, okay? Do it for sets of probably 1,000,000 to 1,000,003 and your shoulders will feel a lot better, which in turn will make the elbows feel a lot better as well. That's it, that's the end of the video.